Hey guys, welcome back to Fifi's World where cooking becomes easy. It's your girl Fi, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make hominy corn porridge in just 5 minutes. So guys, you're probably wondering, how is it possible to make hominy corn porridge in 5 minutes? So well guys, the secret is the canned corn. You want the sweet whole canned corn. Alright guys, so I already have my corn out in my bowl. So as you can see, they're the whole corn. Try to get the whole one, not the pieces, alright? Okay guys, so for this recipe we won't need any water. So I'm using 1 can of evaporated milk, and the evaporated milk would act as a thickening agent. Now I'm using 1 can of coconut milk, and the coconut milk is gonna add flavor. All right. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and the reason why I'm using powder is because this porridge is gonna take 5 minutes to do. As I said in my oats porridge, I'm put the link right here. And I'm also using 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So guys, I'm just gonna add 2 sticks of cinnamon. I'm just adding it because I want my pot to look good. You really don't have to add it to it, but if you're going to do so, use less cinnamon. Just like I just use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, you want to use 1 teaspoon because it's actually gonna add flavor to it. So now guys, I'm going to make my paste, my flour paste. So the paste is going to act as the thickening agent. This is what's going to give the porridge a body with the help of the evaporated milk. So what you want to do now is to mix your paste. You could mix your paste with the evaporated milk from day one. You didn't have to add the water, but I didn't remember to do so. So I have to go in with a little water just to make the paste. So this is the only time you're going to need to use water in this recipe. So I'm just using a little water to mix up my paste. Mix out your paste as best as possible. Get rid of all the lumps so you don't have to worry about lumps being in the porridge. All right, guys, after you're finished making the paste, now it's about 3 minutes since I'm boiling my spices. And now I'm going to add my corn. All right guys, so you just want to go in with your sweet corn. Make sure to get the sweet one. If you don't get the sweet corn, that's okay. What you can do is to put a little sugar in your corn and just allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes before you start making your porridge. Or you can just add some brown sugar to your porridge as a sweetener. But I'm using a sweet corn, so I didn't need to add any sugar to mine. So that's the tip guys that you need to know. So just go ahead guys and mix in your corn into your mixer and just allow that to boil for about a minute or two before you add your flour paste. So you can see how watery it is guys. Even though we have the evaporated milk in it, which is going to give it the body, it still needs to add a little flour to it. If you don't add the flour guys, it's going to be a more watery porridge. So just add the flour now. So the flour is gonna definitely help it to get that body that you're looking for. All right. So guys, don't just pour all your flour paste at once. Gradually add it to your porridge. As you can see guys, the porridge start getting thick. As you can see, it's no longer running as it was before. And that all happened just because of the flour paste that I add to it. And all I did was just 1 tablespoon of flour. That's all I add to it. So you don't have to add a lot. And if you like your porridge thick, then by all means, add more flour to it. But if you want the consistency that I have, all you have to do is to add 1 tablespoon of flour. As I said, the flour and the evaporated milk, they're both thickening agents. And if you are allergic to gluten, what you can use is arrowroot starch, or you can use a cornstarch as a thickening agent as well, because it will taste the same. So you just want to allow that flour paste just to cook properly before you turn off your flame. So just allow that to cook for about 2 minutes the most. And then guys, we're going to turn off our flame before we add our sweetener. Remember to turn off your flame before you add your sweetener because we don't want to burn our porridge. So I'm just using condensed milk as my sweetener. You can go ahead and add your brown sugar if you want to, but because this is sweet corn, I don't want to add any brown sugar to mine. So all I'm using is some condensed milk, and that's it guys. That's how you make your hominy corn porridge in just 5 minutes, guys. And trust me, you're going to stop boiling those corn for how long and then doing once you try this. Just remember, don't ever use the canned water in your porridge. The canned water in your porridge is going to give your porridge a little off taste. So try not to use the water. Just drain your corn. You can wash them off if you wish. But I never did that. All I just did was to drain my corn and then I just add them to the pot. So yes, guys, that's how you make your porridge. And if you ever try my recipe, don't forget to send me a picture on my Instagram page. Thank you guys so much for watching my video to the end. I truly appreciate it, and thank you guys for your continuous support, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget though, guys, don't forget to like this video and share it to a friend. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Fee Fam. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.